I'm Daze Thomas, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, SNS College of Engineering. Today, let us discuss about operations on processes. Our system must provide mechanisms for two operations. We have one is process creation, another one is process termination. Process creation means creating a new process. Parent process create children processes which in turn create other processes. It forms a tree structure. It will be a tree of processes like grandparent, parent, children in that structure. Generally, a process identified and managed using a process identifier PID. And there are three resource sharing options. Either parent and children share all the resources, or children share subset of parents' resources. Parent and child share no resources. These are the three resource sharing options available. And there are two execution options. One is either the parent and children execute concurrently, means at the same time parent and children can be executed. And the second method is parent waits until child terminates. Then only the parent process will be executed. So these are the two methods of execution. The next one is process termination. Process termination means when a process completes its execution, it gets terminated. That is called process termination. Process executes last statement and then asks the operating system to delete it using exit system call. This is called process termination. This returns status data from child to parent using a wait system call. Then process resources are deallocated by the operating system. Parent may terminate the execution of children processes using abort system call also. The reason for doing this is either the child has exceeded allocated resources, or in case if the task assigned to the child is no longer required, or if the parent is exiting and the operating system does not allow a child to continue if its parent terminates. So these are the three reasons for a abort system call. The child is terminated by the parent. Some operating systems do not allow child to exist if its parent has terminated. If a process terminates, then all its children must be terminated. So this is called cascading termination. All children, grandchildren, everyone will be terminate. This is called cascading termination. When a parent process is terminated, all children, grandchildren processes will be terminated. The termination is initiated by the operating system. Okay, the parent process may wait for termination of a child process by using wait system call. The call returns status information and the process identifier of the terminated process. So this is the syntax for PID process. PID is equal to wait status. If no parent is waiting for the child process, then the process is called a zombie. If a parent terminated without invoking wait process, then it is an orphan process. So this is all about process termination and process creation. So in today's class we learned the operations on processes. There are two operations. First one is process creation, another one is process termination. In process creation, parent process create child processes. Process termination,